Hey guys, Dale Thompson here from Dale G. Thompson Internet Marketing LLC and WorkWithDaleOnline.net-Dale, which is my corporate blog, as well as my YouTube channel, Work with Dale T. And in today's video, what I wanted to do, I decided the last video I did an organizational video on how to set up your Gmail accounts, organize them a little bit better for safe list and viral mailer marketing. And so what I decided to do is to do a series of videos, because there's a tool out there called Lead Sleep, which is very, very popular. It's a free to join program. If you're not a member, after watching this video, I suggest that you check it out. It basically gives you all the tools that you need to work online, including a way to advertise any product or service, to generate traffic to your business. There's an income side of it as well, that you can make money with this, aside from the affiliate program, as well as be able to build a list inside of this program, all for free, right? There is an upside to upgrading as well, but you can certainly utilize it for free and do all those things that I mentioned. And there'll be a link in the description of this video if you're not a member, to go check it out. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to share with you how to do a lead capture page and hook it up to a list that I created 2 videos ago. I shared with you how to create a list inside of Lead Sleep. So let's, without further ado, go ahead into my Lead Sleep account, and we're going to go to the page manager here on the left hand side, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a new page campaign. And I'm going to name it. I'm just going to call it TQRM Part 3. And I'm going to click on it, Add Now. And you're going to then look for it. It's going to put it in here, and you're just going to scroll until you find it. Here we are. It's right here. And as a free member, you'll be able to make 10 pages. And what I usually do is, this is the edit button, okay? And what I usually do, the very first thing I do is put in tags so I can find it very, very easy. And you won't have these here if you're a new member, but you can add tags. So if you're, say, a member of, let's just say, example, you're a member of Got Backup. You can put in here Got Backup if you're building a page for Got Backup, or you're building a page for Live Good. You can use the tag Live Good, and that'll put it into that particular section, so you can keep your pages organized and be able to access them very, very quickly. So I put this one in Traffic Prosperity. I'm going to put a Traffic Prosperity tag here so that I can find it easy, and I'm going to just save it. And then I will come back up to the top here, and I will just click on the Traffic Prosperity pages. And here it is. Okay. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let's say, add a new page to start. So you're going to click on that, and if somebody's giving you a share code to copy one of their pages, right, which a lot of companies now are offering share codes. But we're going to do a page from scratch. So we're going to add a blank page design. And we're going to go and we're going to pull them up here. And we're going to launch the editor. And then we're going to choose an opt-in page. Let's take a look here. And there's a lot I want to share with you here on this as far as the idea behind a lead capture page. But I'll try to make it as brief as possible so the video doesn't go on forever. But there are some key things you want to remember when you're building a lead capture page that are very, very important. So I want to make sure I share those with you. So let's just choose this one, for example. And that's one of the reasons I like this program, is that they give you templates that you can use, and all you have to do is basically just edit them to build your own. And one of the key things about building your own capture pages that I want to point out to you is that it sets you apart. Because when you join a program, they give you replicated pages, right? And the problem with those is that they're all the same, right? When you're advertising out there on the net, how can someone tell you from the next person in that program, right? Because they all look the same. So by creating your own lead capture pages, it sets you apart and gives you a voice over and above all the other people promoting that same program. Because with the noise on the internet today, you need to be unique in order to get people to notice you. Excuse me, I had to take a drink and to be able to join you, okay? So, and then you have sections here. Okay, so up here you'll notice, and here's all your elements that you can choose. So all you do is you click on the element and then you can edit it here. So I'm going to do a page that I would do for me. But the first thing that I wanted to make you aware of when you're doing a lead capture page is you want to do a page built around a solution that your product or service provides for your target market. Think about the program that you're in or the product that you're selling, and what solution does it solve for your target market? What are their problems, and what solution does your product solve? Or what, right? So for example, in my case, I'm going to be a little more general. Most internet marketers need more traffic. They need more leads, and they need more sales, right? So the crux to my page is going to be, I'm going to put here, you need more quality traffic, leads, and sales. And I'll fix the formatting in a minute. Not just clicks. So I can either take this and just drop it down, and then I can bring this below. And in order to center this, we can come over here and just click middle and notice it moved this. Same with this to make it middle. And then bring and then here I can put my traffic prosperity guide. Just input your name and best email below for free access. Okay, and I'll clean the formatting of that up. I would just click this and move it up. Okay. Okay, and then over here, in this guide you'll learn, and I would list some things here that, but the page is geared around a problem that your target market has and how my, what I'm offering there, or it is, I'm offering them a solution, right, to a problem they have. That's what the purpose of the lead capture page is, to give them a perceived solution to a problem that they have. If you're not giving them a perceived solution or some value in order to ask them for their email address, you're not going to get any leads. So that's the most important thing I can tell you about a lead capture page, is it's very important that you address a problem or something that they, a perceived problem that they have, that you're going to give them a solution if you, if they give you their email address. If you're in health and wellness, you're going to give them some kind of value that's going to help them be healthier or lose weight or whatever the case may be if they give you their email address. Okay? That's the idea behind a lead capture page. You're giving them perceived value. They're perceiving value in order for them to give you their email address. That's the purpose behind a lead capture page. Okay? And now you get their email address. You can then follow up with them, provide them more value, build the relationship until hopefully the ultimate goal is to get them to join your business or buy your product, whatever the case may be. But in today's day and age especially, they're not going to buy just plastering your sales page all over the place. They have to know you, like you, and trust you. It's just like you're walking down the street and a car salesman comes off the lot and tries to sell you a car. You think you're going to buy it? No. You have to trust that salesman before you're going to buy from him, right? Same thing with, why do you think all these major stores collect email addresses? So they can continue to follow up with you and build reciprocity. They send you out their coupons for special sales and things like that, right? It's all about building an email list so you can continue to follow up with people and get that name recognition for yourself. Keep your name in their email box. They may not buy now. They may not buy 6 months from now. They may not buy a year from now. But if you continually provide value and you continue to be in their email box, every 3 days or so, eventually, when they find a need for your product, they're going to think about you and they may come calling with their credit card in hand, okay? And the only way to build an email list is with a lead capture page, and a great way to do it is with this free program. So I'm going to be doing more of these videos on how to use this program. So let's go ahead and connect it to our list. So you're just going to click over here, and you're going to use Send Lead Sleep List Manager. Now I've already created a list. If you go back and in this video, you'll find I'll put the playlist, which will include the previous video that has the setup of the list, how to set up a list in Lead Sleep. Okay, I'll put that link in the description as well. It'll also be at the end of this video. Will be the link for the playlist for the Lead Sleep tutorial videos. Okay, but you're going to click on this, and then you're going to get list ID, and you'll see this is the one I created. That's the one I created for the test. But let me go and get my traffic prosperity. I'm going to click close. It's as simple as that to connect your list. So the first thing that you do, which is why I did that video first, is create your list. The second thing you do is you can create your lead capture page. Okay? And I will do a video on a thank you page where if you're giving away a report or something like that, you can give it away on your thank you page. That'll be the next video. So if you go to, well, I'll do it at the very end. I'll show you how to get notification when the next video goes live. And then we're just going to save it. We're going to go up here and hit save. We're going to come out of here. We're going to go back to Page Manager. We're going to go to whatever. And don't forget to click on Make It Active. I'm not going to, because I still have to edit this. I didn't want to make this video too long. But it gives you a rough idea on how to create the page in the page builder. Now, for those of you that have hung on this long, what I will do, I'm going to put an email address in the description. If you have trouble with this and you need additional help, email me at that email address and we'll set up a time. I'll send you a link to where you can set up an appointment with me, and we'll get on Zoom, or we'll get on Facebook Messenger, someplace where we can share screens, and I'll spend some time with you and walk you through your particular page and help you put it all together. That's not a problem. At no cost to you, no obligation. I'm not going to pitch you on anything. I just want to help you put this all together so you can start building a list, because it is the most important thing you can do as a marketer, is to build your list. Okay? So that's like a little bonus as a thank you for hanging on this long. So let's go back to a couple last things I wanted to go over with you. All the information, the playlist for this set of videos is going to be in the description here, as well as my link to join Lead Sleep if you're not a member. If you want to get notifications for when new videos come out, just click on this bell. Make sure notifications are on. Definitely, if you got value out of this, hit the like button. And definitely click the subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. And guys, I think that is about it. It is a wrap. Hopefully this wasn't too long for you and you got some value out of it. As I said, leave me a comment. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comments or shoot me an email at that email address I'm going to put in the description, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Okay, guys, have a great night. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.